Hey, you, welcome to this new grammar podcast. Today we'll talk about past simple tense. For example, I was born in 1992, so we're not talking about your daily routine here. We're not talking about what are you doing at the moment. Right now we need to understand the past simple tense in English. So it is important to remember that we use the past simple tense for activities that started and finished in the past. And well, in general, we know when these activities happen. For example, in 1992, yesterday, last month, etc. So today it's time to hit the structure in English. So come on, let's see it. The first thing we need when we use the past simple tense, of course, is a subject. So a subject could be a noun like a person, an animal, or a thing, a place, And of course, we can use a pronoun too. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. It's up to you, right? So a subject. And after that, well, we use verb. Of course, this verb needs to be in the past simple form. Well, in English, we have two kind of words. We use regular verbs and irregular verbs. So what is that? Regular and irregular verbs? Well, we commonly use regular verbs every single day. For example, we have studied and died. You remember this class, right? Studied and died. What happened here? Well, in order to form the past simple structure, or in this case form of the verb, we only add ed, and that's all. So we have studied and died. But irregular verbs are different. In this case, we change the past simple form. For example, we have be born and the past simple tense was born or were born. And what about get divorced? Well, the past simple tense got divorced. So that's it. Irregular verbs change the past simple tense. Well, now what else? Complement. Yes, we have the subject, we have a verb in a past simple tense, and now we need complement. Look at it. You're talking about the past, so you can use whatever you want as a complement, like a date in 1992, last Sunday, or yesterday morning, a few moments ago, a few minutes ago, an hour ago. So this is for the past. Remember that. So that's it. This is the structure for affirmative sentences. So one more time. First, the subject. You need a subject. I, you, my mom, my dad, Ecuador, my friend, my friends, my parents, Sheila, Jimmy. Yes, a subject. And then, well, you need an activity, a verb, but in past simple. Remember that. For example, I studied, and then a complement, yesterday morning. Or maybe Jimmy got divorced last month. Or what about, my sister was born in 1984. Okay, so that's it. Please don't forget to use the correct form of the verb in past simple tense. So come on, now it's time to take notes.